welcome you guys to our home tour. The moment you enter from this door, I don't know why I'm smiling. I have such a big smile on my face. There's a bathroom. I know this is weird. There shouldn't be a bathroom the moment you enter, but this is Mumbai Apartments. I absolutely love my bathroom. Though my boyfriend spends a lot of time in this. It is so spacious. This only Mumbai people will relate. I understand that it might not be spacious for your standard, but I feel 4 people can have bath at the same time. Anyways, it's pretty spacious. I really love it. It feels very fancy, feels very premium, very well made. The mirror and the light. Also, I'm looking very pretty. Make sure I'm looking pretty in this. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. Then we enter our bedroom. Everything is from IKEA before you guys ask. Literally everything, right from this lamp to this side table to this bed. This is our bed and the mattress is from Sleepy Cat. It's basically queen size. Yeah, I am even aware about everything. That's so weird. Me coming from a chawl where this was the apartment where my parents live. This is again a cupboard. Rhythm wanted something sliding door. He was like, I don't want a door. I want to upgrade my wardrobe. So he was the one who decided this and he finalized this. So we've customized this. I'm only going to open Rhythm's section and not mine. So bear with me. This is how it looks. We've got amazing 2 drawers and this was our first time living in a white apartment, okay? Very new for us. If you have seen our old vlogs, you know this.
Sure, open this.
Okay, bear with me. This is how my cupboard looks. Let's not focus on that. Ignore. This is a very pretty view we have from our bedroom. You get to see the very famous Savaji Park. And this is a pretty Arabian Sea. This is my dressing table, boys and girls. This is where I don't get ready every day. I don't know why we've made this. We've actually made this for my storage. All my running clothes and my gym clothes are here. And my makeup kit with my girls always attached. It's a very pretty corner. I would say I should use this more. And we're still left to change our frames. Bear with us. And even the pillows need to be changed. But abhi ke liye budget utna hi hai. Beddings are expensive. Rhythm and I, we both are runners and we've got a lot of running shoes. So we wanted something, a closed cabinet where it does not look messy. So we invested in a shoe cabinet. I think it's very nice. We have all our running shoes here. Wow. Imagine them not being in a closed cabinet, it would have looked so messy. We're still left to do something with this corner. It looks very weird. And I wanted to add one stool here so that we could sit and tie our laces. But yeah, it's going to take a little bit of time. Then we move on to the kitchen. This is a rack where I was against this rack, by the way. But now I realize we actually use it a lot. This air fryer was the best gift I've received this year from my friends. We got the toaster and it looks messy. Rhythm actually got this rack because he saw it on Pinterest and thought it looked aesthetic. But we need to add a lot of things for this to look aesthetic. Currently, it does not look aesthetic. It's not even close to that. Finally, purchased a new washing machine because the earlier one, I got it for something second-hand for 5,000 rupees, used it for 4 years. It made so much noise that then I realized that washing machines are not that expensive. Like this for around 17,000 rupees, which is cheaper than the shoes we purchased this year. And does not even make noise. So we were so surprised when we realized, oh, washing machine these days don't make noise. We even invested in a purifier. Sab kuch. We've literally purchased everything. This was empty as fuck apartment. Cabinets were given to us by the owner. Most of the apartments in Bombay, they don't give you cabinets. This is our stock, our running stock. This is where we keep our food ingredients. I don't even think we have so many things in our kitchen. So that's the reason we're okay with this and not having more storage here because it's just 2 of us living and the only meals you consume is protein meals. Now the best part is our living room. Welcome to our living room. I mean, we'll talk about the view. Before that, I'm really proud of my boyfriend who's made this such a beautiful corner. This looks very premium, but I'm annoyed by this black monitor, so I'm telling him to paint maybe and get it white so that there it looks very different. This lamp is not from IKEA. That's the only stuff which is not from IKEA. This is the corner which still does not look that it's well made. But yeah, we're trying. We're new to this, okay guys? This is the first time we're doing home decor. This is Rhythm's, not Rhythm's favorite Pokemon. Or is Charmander's favorite Pokemon? I think Charmander is favorite Pokemon. These these are fake books. We don't even read books. And
They're not fake. They're proper books.
I mean, they're proper books. We've not read it, but they look good. Like we read one page in 6 months. So yeah. Now comes the TV, boys and girls. If you have seen my old vlogs, you all might know that Rhythm was crying to have one TV, and I realized that who even watches TV? We used to watch everything on his small monitor, and then Rhythm is like, "That this space is meant for TV." So we got ourselves a 43-inch TV, and behind that is the biggest gift I've given Rhythm this year is the PlayStation. It's a really nice spot where we've hidden the PlayStation behind the TV, even though I wanted the PlayStation to be ahead as a flex, but anyways, it was not an option here. This is our sofa, which is 3-seater, 2-seater. The pillows are still left to be delivered. Then there are frames, which are piracy made. So please do not ask where are the frames from. I mean, frames are from IKEA, but the copies are prints are made by my IT friend. This is a very cute, nice lamp. Don't zoom in. There's a lot of dust on this. And last but not the least, I still don't believe we live in a sea view facing apartment. And here you go. This is why I pay a premium rent in Mumbai. And not the noise. Avoid the noise. One thing which I really wanted in my new apartment was sunlight to shoot content. And let me tell you that every penny we are paying for this apartment is absolutely worth it. Because this view just takes away all our stress, and I'm glad that my friends also love this apartment. For everyone, this feels like a dream. And yeah, there you go. I mean, I used to be such a lazy person when I used to live in Bandra. I always used to lie on my sofa, and I never had the energy to do something. But here I've realized that I don't laze out so much. Is that the word? I think it's definitely because of the light, because of the view. It wants to make you work harder so that you could sustain this life. This is our cute little 1 BHK, and I'm super grateful for everything that's happened this year. From not having an apartment in 15 days to finding this has been a whole different journey. We never expected this to happen. And I hope you guys like this. And yeah, it's crazy that during our first apartment, we never even changed the curtains. We never even had the money to change the curtains for the first 2 years. That was 1-room kitchen. To moving to Bandra, that apartment, the first day we moved in, we had leakage in our bedroom, but we never mentioned that. To moving to this has definitely been an incredible journey, I would say. Like, this is so new for me and Rhythm to buy furniture, to set up a home, to do home decor. The first 4 years, we never had the funds to do this. So yeah, the journey's taken a very big high. Graph has gone high. And yeah, it's been 5 months. Not even once I've regretted paying so much rent. Please don't ask how much the rent. Just assume the rent. Ghar jayega usme is the term. Rhythm and I never imagined to move to Dadar, to be very honest. We're glad we were able to make things happen and things worked out. Like moving to Bandra also we never imagined, but that happened. And Seaview apartment is like the budget ही नहीं है कभी ऐसे move होने के लिए, like it's completely out of our mind. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the home tour. If you did, please do comment, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next vlog. You guys must be assuming that this must be all generational wealth. I'm going to talk about our moving out journey because a lot of people keep asking us, how did you all convince your parents? How did you all take the move? Having a bathroom inside that house was a plus point for me. Our parents were never okay with us moving in.
To another happy kind of.
Yeah, mind you guys, we were so dumb and naive that we thought that we could